Get chilled with Patriot Ice. We are located at 171 South Frontage Road, 775-727-6561.
The two teens, 16-year-old Hamar Keys and 18-year-old Jesus Ayala, that are being held as adults were in court today facing additional criminal charges filed Monday in the fatal bicycle hit-and-run accident that killed former retired police chief in Southern California, Andreas Probst, as he was riding his bicycle on the Las Vegas road the morning of August 14th. Police say that there were at least 3 hit-and-run accidents committed by the teens that morning in the stolen Hyundai sedan, all of which were video recorded and done intentionally. The 18-year-old was arrested that day, and the 16-year-old was arrested last week after police were made aware that the video was circulating at a high school and announced their search for the person who had recorded it and circulated it. The video shot from the front passenger seat recorded the teens talking and laughing as the vehicle struck one person. A 72-year-old bicyclist drove away, crashed into another vehicle, and drove away again, then striking Probst on his bicycle from behind. You can see that Probst's body is slammed into the hood and windshield before falling to the ground next to the curb. Clark County District Attorney Steve Wolfson filed 5 felony charges and 2 misdemeanor charges against the 18-year-old, including attempted murder, battery with a deadly weapon, leaving the scene of a crash, and possessing a stolen vehicle. The 16-year-old is facing an additional charge of battery with a deadly weapon, attempted murder, and murder charges. David Westbrook, the public defender representing the older teen, declined comment, but confirmed that his client was 17 at the time of his arrest last month. The younger teenager was not represented by an attorney during the initial court appearance on Friday, but was appointed a lawyer for today's hearing. Both being under the age of 18 at the time the murder was committed, they cannot face the death penalty. Nevada law states that if they are convicted as adults, the most severe sentence that they can receive is 20 years in prison to life in state prison. Andreas Probst died at the age of 64 from his injuries and retired as police chief in 2009 from the Los Angeles area city of Bell.